Our bodies are complex ecosystems composed of over 50 trillion cells, each a microcosm of life, equipped with intricate systems that mirror our larger physiological functions. These tiny units house all the organelles needed to sustain life from digestion to respiration. Yet, beyond their structural components, there lies a profound mechanism of consciousness within each cell, governed by the cell membrane. Historically, the nucleus was considered the command center of the cell, directing its fate through genetic determinism. However, revolutionary insights into cellular biology have shifted this perspective. The nucleus, it turns out, is not the cell's brain. Cells can continue to live and function for extended periods without their nuclei, adapting to environmental cues and sustaining complex behaviours. The true brain of the cell is the membrane, a dynamic structure that protects, communicates, and processes information. Membrane proteins act as receptors and effectors, sensing and responding to the external and internal environments. This continuous exchange of information and energy between the cell and its surroundings is the essence of cellular consciousness. The dogma of genetic determinism, where our fate is sealed by our DNA, has been challenged. Studies reveal that genes do not control biology in isolation. Instead, the environment and our perceptions play a critical role in gene expression and cellular behavior. This epiphany propels us towards a new understanding. Our health and well-being are not just dictated by our genetic code, but are significantly influenced by our environmental interactions. At Acoustic Restoration Therapy, or ART, we embrace this holistic view of cellular consciousness. ART leverages the principles of quantum mechanics and biofield science to create resonance signaling programs that harmonize the body's energetic frequencies. By understanding and tapping into the vibrational language of cells, ART helps restore balance and promote healing at a fundamental level. Our unique approach employs sound vibrations to communicate with the body's energetic fields. These vibrations resonate with the cell membranes, altering their conformations and activating beneficial biological responses. This process, known as electroconformational coupling, enables cells to perceive and respond to energetic information, fostering coherence and optimal functioning. Imagine your body as an intricate orchestra where each cell is an instrument finely tuned to play in harmony. ART acts as the conductor, ensuring that all parts work together seamlessly to produce a symphony of health and vitality. This method not only addresses physical ailments, but also nurtures emotional and mental well-being, recognizing the interconnected nature of our existence. As we venture deeper into the mysteries of cellular consciousness, the potential for transformative healing becomes evident. Acoustic restoration therapy offers a pioneering path guided by scientific insights and ancient wisdom. By harmonizing the body's energetic frequencies, RT unlocks the innate potential for self-healing, paving the way for a healthier, more vibrant life. Join us on this journey to explore the profound interplay between sound, energy, and cellular intelligence. Discover how acoustic restoration therapy can help you achieve a state of balance and harmony, fostering a deeper connection with your true self and the world around you.